Hello guys. Today's topic on love. Today I will talk about some. Today especially when you fall in love, and when you fall in love, at that time the in a romantic scene, which the rain fall is raining on outside, and everyone is having some coffees on Starbucks, and the view is some very romantic, and at that time you feel if you are alone, then you also think that someone is want in my life. Especially every if God has given you that love, that girl in your life, it will come in anyhow. But I just want to tell you, be a valuable, don't be available. You just commit for your career, and if you are going in that your career route, I hope you will get your love in that field. But never, and once you really love her, don't afraid anyone, don't scare anyone. If you are tell to, if she comes in your life, and how can I talk to your parents? If you love her, then just go and face that I love her. I will never live alone in my life, in alone in her life. I will be with her. You have to commit that. And love is, if you are really loving her or she loves you, that love should like be a sun, not be like a moon. जो प्यार होता है ना, वो सन की तरह ऐसा तड़पता होना चाहिए, जैसे सन अपन जब धूप में जाते हो तो कैसा ऐसा बर्न होता है. So it should be, I will, whatever I will happen, I will never leave you alone. Whatever sacrifice is there, I will there, but I will never leave you alone. I will face all the problem, I will sort out, but I will never leave you alone. This is the commitment which comes. It's really a valuable, and in a minute, it's give a time to her. And if you can't give time to her, if she has, if she comes in your life, and if she is understanding that he is busy somewhere, he can't give me a time. Is a emotional attachment should be there. One commitment should be there. And if you commit, man, it's just said, I will never break this promise. I will never break this commitment. I have there to warn you. I'm there to face you. I'm there. I will face the world because I love you and I like you. These words to your partner is very important. If she just want to know, we have to be like that. We have to take stand on it. If I love you, all your promises are really completed. Anyhow. And I will tell her also, if she loves you, never leave him alone. And if you love anyone, just see he's not doing anything in life. He's just sitting it. But once the girl who comes in a guy life now, 100% he will change. If you really love her, and he also, and you tell him that you will go and talk to him if you really like him, and I know 100% he will do it something for you. The love is a very emotional connections, a build relations, a bond attachment. You know this three words what is called ILU. This is the most important word. It's better to know how is the guy is. If you know that three words, the full form of these three words, 100% I hope he will like. He will never leave him alone. And whatever may happen, if the girls love you or you love girl, so the girl also loves you now. Never think whatever the problem is create in life, I will never leave him alone. And you also never leave her alone. Whatever may happen in life. How many challenges you accepted? But I will face all the challenge and I will accept it. And I will win that all challenges. That the commitment should be there. Thank you so much.